Yep, again, guys, my dog died. Mongo. Died because of kidney failure. All of us have kidneys, but my dog did. I'm gonna implement some pictures into my video. Now, for the previous times, you guys have seen my YouTube channel. I've reached 18 subscribers instead of 13 subscribers. My friend had like a lot of subscribers now. He's way over me. So, if you're watching this, Spencer, my dog has died. And for Spencer's friends, thank you for supporting me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm gonna take time to put pictures into my video, and hopefully you guys will like it and enjoy it. If you have got any questions, please comment under my YouTube page down there. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you, Spence.